Hello, I'm David. I'll be teaching you graphing linear equations. Our goal for this lesson is to recognize a linear equation, graph a linear equation, and create a linear equation based off of the graph. We're going to start off with seeing what a linear equation is. This equation here goes up and across 1. So the slope would be 1 over 1. As it rises, 1, and it goes across 1. What this would be is 1. So the equation for this would be y equals x. If this was the intercept here is what would be determined after this number here. So if this equation was higher, it would be y equals x plus 2. An example of that would be an equation at y equals, but it goes across the y-axis at a different point. You can see here, this equation across the y-axis at 2, therefore it has a plus 2. But it's still 1 over 1, so it still has the x value just by itself. An example of what would be a linear equation would be curvy lines. This is a parabola, and we have no idea what the slope would be at all here. It wouldn't be a fraction, has no rise over run that stays the same. What we do know, though, is that has y-intercept, but that will matter later. Now we will graph the equation. Here we can see that it is y equals 2x plus 5. So first we'll look at the slope, and that means that it is rise over run. So that means it rises 2, and it runs across by 1. And it intersects at 5.
Good afternoon, Grand Valley. It is about 2:15. The directions I'm about to give are very specific and
So
very
with
simple.
plus 5, that means that it will intersect the y-axis at 5, which would be here.
At 2:20, you're going to go to your
Now we
advisory.
want to make a table to help us graph.
At that point,
Make it simple, we
Ms.
can
Hart will
start
call
off
down to your
-2,
specific advisory
-1, 0, 1,
and
and 2.
have your advisory walk
-2,
together as a class
We will
to
get
Cardinal Hall
-4,
to get all
plus
of the
5,
top portion of your checkout sheet signed
which
by all the
equal
different
1.
areas.
So at -2,
There will be a line,
we'll go up
just
1.
like in third grade when you're getting a drink from the drinking
And
fountain.
that's it. That's the point. Now
You
we'll
will
go to
follow
-1.
that line and
We
go
plug
from
that in,
station to
and then
station, getting
-2
each
plus
signature
5
along the
will
way.
give us 3. So we'll go
I am your
-1
last
x-axis,
signature.
go up 3.
If you have all of your
You plug in
signatures
0,
and you do not
It'll
owe
be
any
0
money,
plus 5.
I
which
will
makes
let you know that you are free to go
5 here.
home. By
We plug
saying
in
that you're
1,
free to go
we get
home,
2
I'm
plus
really
5,
saying,
which is
leave,
7.
go home, don't hang out. If you do not have everything signed, then I inform
We
you,
plug in
you
2,
need to go back
we
with
get
your
4 plus
advisor
5, which
and
is
hang
9.
out in your advisory with your advisor until 3:55.
Graph that on there,
Notice I did not say running around the halls
and we
like
can go
a chicken
across.
with its head cut off.
There.
So,
Now we have a linear.
at 2:20, you will head to your advisory. Your advisor will wait for a call from Ms. Hart.
Now we
We'll
will
come to
be
Cardinal Hall to
on
get
the
all of your
equation
stuff
of
signed
slope.
out.
Here,
This year's
we
gone
know
by very
that
quickly.
it is
It's been a
linear,
good
and
year.
it goes up, so that means it's a
It's also
positive
had some issues,
equation.
but that's all
It
right.
intersects at -1,
We'll get
so
better.
we can put-
So this year, we are gonna start something a little bit different, though.
we can look at the.
We love our
positive
seniors so much that we're gonna start with freshmen this year.
side. So that means.
I'm just kidding.
One
We really want you to
rise.
leave, so we will start with
Go
seniors.
across 1,
All right.
2, 3,
Have a great
4,
day.
5. So it's the rise over run, which would be y equals 1 over 5x minus 1. That is graphing and understanding linear equations. Thank you.
Good. Sorry about that.